Bring that ass back like a boom, 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 boom.
What is up, you guys? It's your boy, the Scarlet Cosplayer here, bringing you yet another cosplay unboxing. And as always, if you like what you see here, be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. That way you guys don't miss out on anything we have to offer here. And, you know, it just help out the channel. So this is a hefty day. It's another cosplay review. We haven't had a cosplay review or a cosplay item review in a while. I honestly figured that I would have gotten something a while ago, but unfortunately it's taken a while to get made with a few things and paid off and stuff like that. And then that stimmy hit. So, sponsored by the US government, stimulus checks. And we also have a 3D printer now. If you guys are seeing this, we've got the Ender 3 from Creality. Got it on Amazon. I'm liking it so far. I've printed some earpieces that I think look really good. I've, of course, got to, you know, finish sanding it and then paint it up. But it pretty much looks like this. You know, and I think it looks really cool. But that's not what you guys are here for. You guys came to see a cosplay review. And I have kept this hidden. And I mean, like, absolutely have not said anything about this to anyone. Even the people that are helping me make a YouTube fan series don't know what's in this box today. And it came in early. I was not expecting it to come in this early. But as soon as I show you guys where it's from, you guys are going to know. But boom! Illustra Studios props. And if you guys don't know what they do, or, you know, you guys just haven't had the ability to check them out, or you guys have just been living under a rock or whatever, these guys make like some A1 replica Deadpool stuff. Mainly like the masks, and then I believe the costume replica cave sends suits to them to style. But so far so good. We've got it all nice and packaged pretty neat. It came with this little, I think this is a sticker. Yeah, it looks like a sticker of their little logo. It looks really cool. And you could be asking, why Deadpool out of nowhere? This is mainly a Flash channel. And I said, because, you know what, I've liked the Deadpool since the movie, and I have been dreaming of getting this for a very long time now, and I do mean like a long time. Like, I was originally going to order this as my Christmas gift, and then there were some unforeseen circumstances that came with Christmas that it just kind of made it to where that wasn't going to be possible. Oh man, this looks absolutely amazing. Of course, I'm gonna need to show it off, but it's just, this looks really good, guys. And this is based on the Ryan Reynolds Deadpool from the movie. And dude, look at this. I know that the like fabric is screen printed, but dude, this just looks beautiful, and all the detail and the stitching. And the fact that they even have like the head shape right. I mean, this is beautiful. And then it's even got like the little tail on the top. Oh man, this is beautiful. I gotta figure out how to put this on. It is a full face shell and a mask with it, with the fabric, and it does stretch because it is like a lycra, if I remember correctly. It's like a screen printed lycra. And oh, that's cool. It's got like foam on the inside of it. I know you guys aren't going to be able to really see it, but like if I can get the lighting to kind of work with me, you can like see like all around in here there's like a slight, and that's all just like foam and padding. That way it fits your head better and doesn't hurt, because like some face shells will just rub away at your head and it is not great. But let's try this thing on because I'm excited. And of course I'm wearing my Deadpool shirt today. But dude, look at this. What? I should wear my brown pants today. I know I'm not that great. My Deadpool is kind of a little bit off. But I think this is really cool. It looks almost, if not perfectly exact, and the lenses aren't even fogging up. Like, I'm a heavy breather, especially when I'm excited about things. And it is, like, I can still see through this very well. I mean, I need to, like, clear my eye out. But that's because, like, I ended up breathing something into it. And so my eye just needs to be rubbed. But other than that, I can see perfect. Oh my goodness. And it smells like some plastic. It's not really all that great, but it's most likely just because it's made in like a factory kind of a setting, and you gotta let the screen print air out. But other than that, it is wonderful. I am loving this. This is definitely a purchase well worth it for the price. Now this is the version 3. Yeah, the version 3 mask and face shell, if I remember correctly, and it's the full one. It's not the half, so you can see the jawline, you can see the chin, because that one is a bit more than what this is, and this one was already pretty hefty. I mean, just this alone was the price of like a Reeves cowl from The Flash, or like some of these other like high-end quality like urethane ones. This is roughly about that same price range, like $200 to $300. But I'm telling you, this totally worth it, because you can use this as a display piece just because of the quality of it. You can use it as cosplay. It is beautiful. Now, the only downside that I can say that this might have is because I didn't go with the magnetic option. The eyepieces are like part of the shell. It's not magnet, you can't take it off. So you'd have to, I believe you'd have to try to cut them off yourself. I don't really know how you'd go about doing that in a safe environment. Or you'd have to buy a whole different one that has the ability to change out the eyes. But these are the standard eyes that you get, and it's not bad. Of course, on this channel, a few years ago, we did like a spandex Deadpool review. You guys seem to like that a little bit. But now we actually have a Deadpool mask that works with it. That's not too small or too big for my head, because this was made for my head size. And I know it's kind of like not really sticking under my shirt very well, but that's also because my shirt is stretched out and from Walmart. But there you have it, guys. This is my Deadpool mask review. I personally give it, I would probably say 5 out of 5 stars. But the only exception being the eyes and the price. But other than that, it is still wonderful and great. And again, that is Illustra Studios. But as always, thank you guys for the ride. And I hope you enjoyed. See you in the next round, buddy.